Alright, I'm back with another video, man. This took me so long to upload, but I want to make this video because this is like the first video of 2018. But yeah, back with another video. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat. My Snapchat is gonna be right there. Make sure you follow it. And then make sure you subscribe, like the video too if you like the video, because my waves are finally spinning. Finally, after all this time, I've been doing everything I can. I've been woofing. I haven't been cutting my hair. I've been wanting to cut my hair. I was like, no, no, I'm not cutting it, so I haven't been cutting it. I've been woofing. Honestly, it's been like the best thing. I don't think I ever had my waves this long before. Like, cause sometimes I think I mess up my progress by cutting my hair too early. So this has been a great process. Is woofing. Another thing is too. I've been really brushing. Really trying to focus on that. Really wearing my wave cap and then also using Sporting Waves. Sporting Waves has been helping me out through this whole entire process. Shower brushing has been helping me out too. And the progress for 2018 is just amazing. My waves are just shiny, um, just great. The video quality is getting better. And yeah, I'm not in the bathroom, so I feel like that's a good transition. My waves are just spinning. Like honestly, this is like the best thing because I feel like my waves before just wasn't cutting it. Like it just wasn't where it needed to be. So now that my waves are where they need to be, I can keep progressing, keep going forward, and really trying to work on it. But I got the shine, got the connections. The connections are getting better. Crown is on its way. I promise. The crown is on its way. But if you do like the video, make sure you subscribe. If you are watching it for this long, like subscribe, because my hair's gonna get better, man. My hair's longer. My hair is kind of straight. It's a mixture of everything, man. My hair is like everywhere, but just gonna be working on the crown a lot more. Oh, my hair is just really shiny. It looks so great to see progress. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. But if you did stay for this long, you're a true subscriber. I love you so much. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me. And I'll see you in my next video. I have many more videos. And yeah, man, this is gonna be a good year. Happy 2018. I'll see you later in my next video. Peace.